So right now I'm going to show you how to change the filter in one of these Samsung refrigerators. It's fairly simple, but they can get kind of stuck in there. So I actually use a pair of pliers for it. Now this is really just to help me get a grip on it. So once you get a good grip, you actually kind of have to push in and turn. And that will get it loosened up. And then it kind of, it's almost like launches out of there. So that's it to get it out. If you're having trouble getting it out, go ahead and do that. Remember, push it in a little bit, then turn it counterclockwise. Then you've got the new one here. Take the cap off. It's got the arrow, excuse me, let me get that. It's got the arrow pointing upwards. So you want to actually point that to the side, push in, and just continue to push and twist. And there we go. It's locked into place there. Now the filter's in, we have to actually reset the light. On this model, it says right here, alarm, filter reset, just hold it for 3 seconds. Other models that might be somewhere else, I've seen it on the cubed or crushed ice button. So first, just look at all of your controls here to see if any one of them indicates to hold it for 3 seconds and it will turn off the filter light. The next thing is that it's actually recommended to run water through it. Up to a couple gallons worth it actually recommends, and that's just to go ahead and get that filter basically working. And that's it.